Hello everyone, this is Shantanu. Welcome to my class. In this video, I will discuss about the interior of the earth. Today's topic of discussion is interior of the earth. Okay. You can see various landforms above the earth's surface. We can easily see the landform like your mountain, plateau, plain, etc. And people can reach above or top of the mountain. But have you ever thought or have you ever heard that people reached above the earth's surface or people reached at the center of the earth? No. Answer is no. Neither any scientist nor any group of people can reach the center of the earth. It is very difficult to reach there. Scientists can reach only 3 to 4 kilometers. There are two projects. One is your deep drilling project, another is your ocean deep drilling project. And in near Arctic Ocean, the place named Kola, scientists can reach up to 12 kilometers. Okay. And there are so many scientists who has been working on this to know what exactly we have the center of the earth, because we can easily see what we have outside or above the earth's surface, but we don't know above or regarding the center of the earth or beneath the earth's surface. After so many examinations, scientists estimated that there are two kinds of sources. One is your direct sources, another is your indirect sources. What are the direct sources? Direct sources, that your volcanic activities, your seismic activities, meteoroids, rock structure. These are the evidences that prove that what kind of material that existed beneath the earth's surface. Volcanic activity, these are the natural events. And beneath the earth's surface, what kind of forces that responsible for forming the volcanic activities and earthquake? These are endogenetic forces. Endogenetic forces is responsible beneath the earth's surface, but above the earth or on the earth's surface, the landform, the plateaus, the plain, these kind of features can be formed by the exogenetic forces. Okay. So volcanic activities is a natural event. Due to the volcanic activities, when the magma, hot molten magma moves upward and spread over the surface, it is called, when after solidification, it is called your lava. After examination of lava, we can identify that what type of mineral gases are there beneath the earth's surface. Another is your rock structure. The gold mine in South Africa, the mining level can reach 3 to 4 kilometers. Okay, and going beyond this, the temperature start increasing. Okay, and this rock structure, what type of minerals, what layer in the rock. After examination of rock, we can easily identify that how much depth it has, density, temperature, we can easily find out. Okay. And the seismic activity. Seismic activity, basically, seismic activity, it is also a natural process and natural event. Due to the seismic activities, P wave, S wave, primary wave, secondary waves can move different direction. To record the seismic activities, we can get to know the information about the inside of the earth. On the basis of direct sources, there are also indirect sources as well. What are indirect sources? The temperature, the pressure, and density. The density, the heavier material, you can find in the inside the earth's surface or center of the earth. Okay, and the lighter material can easily available in the outer surface or the outward of the earth. Okay. The temperature, the mining activities in gold mine in South Africa, when they start activating in their mining activity, when they are doing their mining activity, that time they have seen the going there, the temperature started increasing. From that you can identify, or you can estimate that the temperature of the earth or at the center, the temperature is very high. And the relation of temperature to pressure is positive relation, right? The temperature increases, along with temperature, the pressure also increases. At the same time, density start increasing. And the mineral can be found at the center of the earth is a heavier material than the other layer. On the basis of such sources, scientists has classified the three layers we have. One is your crust, another is your mantle, and last one is your core. The outermost layer or the hard layer, similar, you can very easily understand. Take a boiled egg. Okay, the white, the hard layer, then is your whitish part, and then is your yellow part. Okay, you can similarly you can find we have in our earth the cell-like structure, or the hard layer is your crust. Crust is the outermost layer, and in this layer two type of crust we can find, that is your continental crust and oceanic crust. Okay, what is continental crust? Continental crust is basically lighter material, or consist of or made of the lighter material than your oceanic crust. Okay, it extended up to 30 km, but continental crust extended up to your 15 km, whereas oceanic crust extended up to 8 km. But in Himalayan region, it is extended up to 70 km. So you can understand that it can vary in different region. Okay. Next, what type of mineral we can found in the outermost layer? That is your silica, magnesium, and aluminium. In continental crust, the mineral that consisted of, that is your silica and aluminium. That's why this layer is called your Ci. And the silica and magnesium is basically consist of the oceanic crust. That's why this oceanic crust is called your Sima. Oceanic crust, the type of rock, the oceanic crust is made of igneous rock. And the type of rock that can be found in the oceanic crust, that is your basaltic rock. On the other hand, continental crust is made of the granite rock. Okay. The density is very continental crust and oceanic crust. The density is your 2.75 gram per cm³ in the continental crust, whereas your 3 gram per cm³ in the oceanic crust. Below the oceanic crust, one more thing. What in the continental crust and the oceanic crust is separated from conar discontinuity. What is discontinuity? In simple word, it is the transition zone. Okay. Transition zone between two major or the main layer, it is called your discontinuity. And the scientist Conrad, according to his name, it is called conar discontinuity. Below the earth crust, there is a semi-liquid zone, that is your asthenosphere. Okay, this asthenosphere extended up to 400 km. In this layer, all the plates, the major plates of our earth, moves in this zone due to the convectional current. The Arthur Holmes, the scientist Arthur Holmes, who discovered the current that is called your conventional current, and magma find this layer, and due to the conventional current the magma moves upward. Okay, and the different types of activities form here. So plates moves there. There are three types of plates. One is your divergent. Two plates moves in the opposite direction, that is called your divergent plate. Divergent means constructive. Okay, and convergent. Next one is convergent plate. When two plates moves in same direction or moves towards each other, that time is called your convergent. Convergent means constructive. Convergent movement means your destructive movement. And another is your transform. When they neither collide or nor move towards each other, that time they just slide each other. That is called your transform plate. These three types of plates can be found here. And this asthenosphere, the temperature is approximately 1000 degrees Celsius. And this asthenosphere basically found between, lies between the crust and upper mantle. The upper mantle, asthenosphere and crust, this solid state is called your lithosphere. Okay. And the crust and upper mantle is separated by Moho discontinuity or Mohorovicic discontinuity. Next we will discuss about the upper mantle and lower mantle, and it covers major portion of our earth. 84% of area covered by mantle. And this area, the mineral found in chromium, ferrous, silica and magnesium. That's why this layer is your prophesima. The density definitely varies here. Different types of density we can find. In the uppermost layer, upper mantle, the density is 3.4 to 4 gram per cm3, whereas the heavy density or the more density can be found in the lower mantle. Okay, that is 5.5 gram per cm3, and it is extended up to 2,900 kilometers. Okay, and in this layer we can easily identify the two type of state. We can easily identify the upper mantle is your solid layer, solid state, and the lower mantle it is liquid in state. And on the basis of indirect sources, we can estimate that when moves in downward direction, the temperature increases, pressure increases, and the density also increases. And it is proved that the density is 3.4 to 4 gram per centimeter cube in the upper mantle, whereas the 5.5 gram per centimeter cube in the lower mantle. Upper mantle and lower mantle is separated by Repetit discontinuity. Okay. Next part is your core. Core. Okay. Upper mantle, lower mantle, and the upper core or the core mantle are separated by discontinuity. This transition zone of discontinuity is called your Gutenberg discontinuity. And the maximum temperature, maximum pressure, the heaviest material, and the most density found there. The maximum temperature, density, high pressure, high pressure are found here. Okay, and this core is called your bariosphere, and it's divided into two parts: upper core and lower core. Upper core is liquid in state, but the center of the earth is solid in state, and it is extended up to 6,371 kilometers. And this 6,371 kilometers is your radius of our earth. Okay. So, And this layer, the mineral, the heavy material are found, that is your nickel, nickel and ferrous. That's why this layer is called your facing. And the upper core and the lower core is separated by discontinuity named Lehman discontinuity. This is all about your interior of the earth and interior structure of the earth. I hope student you understand it. Okay, thank you so much.